how to increase image quality in Canva. Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of Canva and taking your images from low res to show-stopping. Whether you're a design pro or just getting started, this quick tutorial will have you enhancing photos like a whiz in no time. So, grab your low-quality image and let's get started with the video. First things first, we need to get our image into Canva. You can do this in two ways. If you already have a Canva design open, simply click the Uploads tab on the left sidebar, navigate to your image file, and click to upload. Alternatively, you can drag and drop your image directly onto the Canva workspace. Now, before we jump into the fancy stuff, let's address a quick fix. Sometimes a low-resolution image might just be too small for your project. To adjust the size, click on your image and drag one of the corner handles. Hold down the Shift key while dragging to maintain the image proportions. This will magically improve quality, but it can help prevent pixelation in your final design. After you are done, click on your image and then the Edit Photo option at the top. Then here you'll find an Adjust panel. Play around with the clarity and sharpen sliders to bring out details and crispness in your photo. Remember, there's a fine line between sharpening and introducing artifacts, so adjust subtly. Once you're happy with your image quality, it's time to download your design. Click the share button at the top of the right corner and choose your prepared file format, JPEG or PNG. And for the best quality, select the high quality option. Finally, click download to save your enhanced image. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can take your blurry low resolution images and give them a new lease on life in Canva. Hit that subscribe button for more design tips and tricks. Thanks for joining me and happy creating!